strategies which will help you to get the right rate. One is you should have the calculator. That is, if you are especially for the option and swaps, you should have access to a calculator, or you should have someone who can do the pricing on your behalf. Like one of the value add which we do to most of our customers who are hedging for ECB or option, that we give the right price. This is the market price, and that becomes the anchor point. Then information, you should know information and knowledge. You should know what are the information you require, like cash spot, forward premium, bid offer, how LTFX works, what are the LTFX bid offers, how LTFX is calculated, and you should know what are the things like basis swap, small things, because otherwise you will be bluffed. So if you know, then you can counter argue. So always go towards knowledge and information. That can certainly save you money in this market. I'm not even coming to the strategies, but simply on negotiation, you can save good amount of money. Resolve, you should be resolved that I need to reduce my margin and not be happy giving it away. Strategy, I'll give you an example of a strategy. Let's say you are taking an ECB and you want to negotiate at the last moment. You will not be able to. You have to plan yourself 2 months before. When the negotiation is going on, what clause you are signing. If you are signing a clause that I have to deal with this bank only, you are done. That is the time your negotiation ended. You have to have clauses like, I will deal with the bank preferably provided they match the price. There are clauses like last right of refusal. Those clauses you have to give. Okay. This works very well, bluffing on competition. So you want the right price from the bank, you tell them that someone else is giving me this kind of price. Or you say that I went to a conference, I got this, I saw companies like mine getting prices like half paisa. Why are you charging me 2 paisa? Those kind of stuff you have to say. Placing an order can improve your price because then you can check back with a screen of like Reuters whether this has traded today, so I should have got this price. So you can place an order. Then second, if you have export and import, you try to take a two-way quotes. Two-way quotes in the sense, you say $1 million price. You don't tell them that whether you want to buy or you want to sell. Depending on, then they cannot trend you, right? Because if they do not know which side you will hit, they will not be able to trend you. So that's another thing. One more thing which helps is the cold approach, like not giving out information, like who are the banks with you and what discussions you are having. That you should not give out to your banker, especially when you are doing a large swap or option deal or hedge. So these are the strategies you should be using.